You are Yahweh, all powerful. There is no other God that can stand in your way. With you in the fight, we will never lose. There is nothing you cannot do. El Shaddai, you are God Almighty. You turn seas into paths of deliverance.
My name is Barakat Faseha and I'm at Victoria's Primary School in Primary 7 Clever. Today we came to Jinja Agricultural Show, and on our way we saw different things. For example, we saw Mabira Forest, tea plantations and so many others.
Cropping is the giving of extra support to a plant using a pole, like the way you see this. Is that okay?
What's impossible for man is possible for you.
Rice stays in a garden for about 3 to 4 months. Now, when it has clocked, like when it has finished like 2 months in the garden, it starts flowering. You can see this one is now flowering.
My name is P.7 and I'm from Ebenezer campus. I'm in P.7 active. Today we went for an agriculture show in Jinja and it was the best. I said that it was the best. Like we saw different types of animals, then different crops, then also like I saw many crops that I didn't know. And then after teachers were explaining, it was so good.
My name is Nimpamia Henry. I'm a teacher at Victoria's Primary School, Ebenezer campus. We brought our candidates for a study tour at Jinja Agricultural Center. Children have benefited a lot. They have looked at different farming practices. They have looked at different animals. They have looked at various ways of how caring for crops. Actually, they had not seen some of the crops. In the classroom, we always do the theory part. I want to thank the management of Victoria's Educational Services for always supporting such programs, for always allowing candidates always come out of the classroom and they look at different things. I also want to thank our parents. Thank you for giving us children and thank you for supporting this trip. Thank you very much everyone, and thank you very much for supporting Victoria's. We are victorious because God is able.
Reason why we call it a root tuber, it stores its food in the solid underground roots. Altogether, they grow, they sprout out, and they poop very good. So cassava has several species. Cropping is the giving of extra support to a plant using a pole, like the way you see this. Is that okay? And if you have the farming practice, how does pruning reduce the rate of what? Yes, to control soil erosion, and lastly, and that is the main reason for mulching.
One month they will increase in size. When they increase in size, when they finish like 1 month in a nursery bed, you transfer them to the main garden. But you first prepare the what? The main garden. Rice stays in the garden for about 3 to 4 months on it. When the birds enter here, they suck 2 months. In called a sickle. You come and cut down. It is now fall off. The yellowish one fall off. Now when they fall off, you get sacks. You pour where?
Together, then there are these ones that have got white and green. This is also a species of its own. Is it okay? Yeah. When you look at it also, it's in the same family when it comes to stems. They're in the same family. Is that okay?
So we shall mix them there and we allow that they decompose very well. Then after that we allow them to enter the digester. In the digester, which process takes place there? Fermentation.
Newer.
So it can be taken to the gardens to make pollute air. Yes. It is easy to use. Deforestation. All together. What is the example of this modern beehive? I remember top bar hive. We call it what? A top bar hive. And the reason why they call it a top bar hive, it is because it has, we put this cover to put it out together. But that's, it is why I find what? The grubs are young bees. The grubs are young what? Are young bees. Out together.